Hi, friends. Today I am going to go over how to play Gently Sleep with You. It is our second song in Recorder Karate for our yellow belt. The pitches are G, A, and B. They are not any different than our Recorder Karate white belt song, Hot Cross Buns. They're just in a different order. We are going to go ahead and start by singing and fingering. This note right here is a G. It's still a G. It's been a G forever and ever, and it will be a G. It's on the second line. We play a G with 3 fingers. This note right here is on the second space, F, A. A is on the second space, has 2 fingers, same way as it was from Hot Cross Buns. And this one is a B, has 1 finger, same way as it was from Hot Cross Buns on the third line, Every Good Burger. Now, the B is a half note. It gets 2 beats. The G and the A are quarter notes. They're taws. They get 1 beat. So if we're keeping a steady beat, 2, 3, 4, the G goes G, A, B. Did you hear how the B got 2 taps? And the G and the A each only got 1. Because a half note gets 2 beats, 2 steady beats. So we're going to sing and finger our way through the songs in small chunks so that you don't get overwhelmed. Okay? Now, we're going to just do these first 2 measures right here. Okay? Let's sing and finger those first 2 measures together. Here we go. G, A, B, A, G, A. Good. Be really careful that you don't go G, A, B, A, G, A, because it'll sound like this on your recorder. Which is icky, and we don't want it to sound that way. So be really careful you don't do that, and you just keep a nice even tone. So let's sing and finger our way through those first 2 measures again. Here we go. G, A, B, A, G, A. Let's play it. 1, 2, ready, play. Great job. Now, if you notice, there's like a little apostrophe right there. That little apostrophe is a breath mark in music. They want you to try and only breathe in these spots. If you have to breathe in other spots, that's okay too. But they want you to try and make it one long phrase like I just did. Okay, let's play those first 2 measures. Remember, measures this period of time here. Let's play those first 2 measures together again. 1, 2, ready, play. Okay? Now I have good news for you. This very first measure right here, look, it happens here again. Look, it happens here again. Look, it happens here again. If you can play this first measure, you know half of the song. And the second measure, right here, the A, G, A, happens again down here. So these first 2 measures are the same down here. So we know half of the song if we can play those first 2 measures. Let's try and play it again. 1, 2, ready, play. Awesome. Now we already know how to play the third measure, measure 3. This is 1, 2. This is measure 3. We already know how to play measure 3. It's just G, A, B. That's all. So let's go all the way back here to the beginning and play these first 3 measures And we're going to try and take a little breath right here like they want us to. 1, 2, ready, go. Oh, sorry. We don't know that part yet. Just kidding. This last part right here is going to be probably the hardest part of the entire song because the notes go in a different order, but it's still not that tricky. Let's look at it. This first note here, F, A, 2 fingers. Next note, every good burger, B. So we have A, B, every good, G. So it looks like this again. We have A, B, G. Let's sing it together. Ready? A, B, G. Let's sing it together again. A, B, G. Let's sing it together again. A, B, G. Now let's play that together. Here we go. Ready? Let's play it again. Here we go. Ready? Good. Let's back it up. Backing it up. 1 measure. Here we go. So we're going to back it up to here. We're going to play these 2 measures together. Let's sing and finger it first. G, A, B, A, B, G. Let's play it.
Could we have all parent pickup to the gym? All parent pickup to the gym.
Don't mind them. Here we go. Let's try it again. Awesome. Let's back it all the way up to the beginning of the line. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2. 1, 2. Ready. Play. Awesome. Now the second line is the same. Let's put it all together. Here we go. 1, 2. Ready. Go. Awesome. Go back and rewind this and practice through things as much as you need to. And I'll see you on the play along video when it comes up.